Alright guys, so today we are going to do chocolate covered watermelon. Great healthy treat for kids. We went ahead and cut our watermelon. We're going to put that in the freezer. If you do not freeze your watermelon, then the chocolate will just run off because it's water. You mix water and chocolate together, it's just not going to work. So then got what is called a double boiler working. So you take one of your pots and you're going to fill it up about halfway with water. You're going to get that water steaming. Okay, you don't want it into like a rolling boil. You want it into like a nice soft boil. Okay, if you've ever made holiday sauce, it's the same concept. So once that starts getting going like that, we are then going to place a bigger bowl that is safe on top of it. Okay, then we will take our chocolate, which we are going to use Snickers to place on the inside. As this bowl starts to heat, the Snickers on the inside will then start to melt. That way they don't burn. Once they're melted, we'll get going from there. Alright guys, we've got our watermelon, it's frozen, so it'll be ready to go. We've got our chocolate sauce right here. So our chocolate sauce, as you can see, it's nice and melted. We're going to simply take and we're going to pour this as evenly as possible on top the watermelon. My daughter's eager to help. She wants to do stuff. But this part is really hot and I don't want her to burn herself. So
can I do the other things?
Yep. This bowl is getting heavy. I gotta switch the way I'm holding it. Tell you're excited. Get yourself a little spatula, spoon, get all that chocolate out. I might not have made enough chocolate, but we're going to do our best to make it work.
Yep, right?
And I take the spoon that I got and just kind of brush it along there. On there as possible. Now it's going to harden up right away because of the cold watermelon.
Do I need to eat it fast?
So we got to get this chocolate on there quick.
But I can't do it myself.
Alright, so then
Because there's peanuts.
this.
Can I use it?
Yep. Let's take some peanuts. Let's throw some peanuts on here.
Yummy already. It looks like a piece of cake, right?
Yep.
Now we're gonna take some.
Sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on there. Just a little bit.
Can I do some of that?
And we got some Reese's Pieces.
Yeah, we got some these.
We're gonna stick in there. You can use any toppings you want. You can use, Fruity Pebbles. You can use, Rice Krispie treats.
Anything we want?
Yep, anything you want to add in
This is what we want, right?
there. Yep. So we're gonna add this stuff in there.
I wanted to add jelly beans, but I don't think they really want to stay, right?
Well, the jelly beans could stay, but we're going with the chocolate theme right now, so that the flavors all go together.
Okay, Daddy, look. I have the last 3. But you can have one.
You go ahead. All right.
We're not done yet. I'm not done.
Then you end up with something that looks like that. And she can't wait to eat them, right? Yeah, you want to eat them bad? They good? All right, then you just put them in the refrigerator and let that, get nice and hard, the chocolate on the outside, and then we'll be able to eat them for after dinner. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. Goodbye.